everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you an update to Single Take on Samsung One UI 3.1. Now, I don't know if this will be added into 3.0, but once your Samsung phone does get updated to Samsung 3.1, when you go inside of Single Take, one of the things that was added a while ago is that you are able to change the duration of how long your Single Take is able to take its photos and videos so you can capture more and more content, or at least a better photo. So originally it's set up as 10 seconds. So what you can do is you can move this one over into 15 seconds, but the other thing that they just got done adding in is on the very top. So sometimes when you take a single take shot, there could be a few things that you're really not a huge fan of. So maybe you're not a big fan of either the filtered photos, and maybe you don't want that wide or cropped shots. So this is one of those cool things that you can really, dictate what it takes. Now, the only thing I haven't really tested yet is that if you uncheck a few things before you take a single take shot, I don't know if that means that it adds in more photos for portraits or maybe an additional speed clip. Probably not an additional speed clip, but maybe an additional portrait, maybe an additional filtered video or something like that. Now let's say you go through and you take off that speed effect clips. So there's usually 2 or 3 of those in there. So maybe there would be 2 or 3 less files if you turn off that speed effect clip. So maybe they can add in an additional filtered photo and maybe an additional wider cropped photo. I really don't know what's going to happen. I haven't tested it just fully yet. I'm just getting now into the Galaxy S21 Ultra personally here. But I do want to give you guys a big update here that the Single Take has been updated for if there is any of these little shots that it does capture, if you're not a big fan of it. But the cool thing I do like is that because it does show that there's 6 different options, it kind of almost leads me to believe that Samsung will be adding in more options to this. I feel like that there could be a couple more categories that they can add in, or more customization for all of these here as well. And maybe they could be coming in with, if you do go through your camera setup for photo and you add in some of those own filters and the color, if you want it to be warm or cool or however you have your setup, they might even add more of that into what is here for like filtered photos. So just something to take a look at inside of Single Take. You can update it from the 10 to 15 seconds, and you can also change some of the categories. And again, Single Take is something super cool. If you feel like you're probably not going to get the perfect shot, that will definitely get it for you. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how